Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Grumblegard from Dragon Rescue Riders. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First we're going to draw a little nose. We're going to start up here and we're going to draw a light little nose all the way around. And you're going to stop right there. Then from there we're going to draw a little tooth sticking out. And you're going to continue with the little mouth and you're going to bring it back and there's a tooth sticking out. And then a little nostril, we'll draw it right there. And on this side we can just complete the nostril like that. Right, now we're going to start with the eye. Right here I'm just going to draw a little eye, top and bottom, with a pupil and a light reflection. And from the back of the nose you're going to draw a line up and you're just going to draw the eyebrow. Let's color the eye in. On top I'm going to draw the head, and now we're going to draw a little chin or a big chin. Nice hook down. You're going to bring it up and you're going to stop right there. And then on this side you're going to do the same thing and we're just going to draw these curvy lines. And then from here you're going to draw horns sticking out. Now time for the body. We're going to draw the neck, a short line out, and here at the back you're going to sort of draw the neck and the back as well. And now we're going to draw the chest area. So we're going to draw a nice line going there. And now I want to draw a leg. So on this side I'm just going to draw a little hook, and on the other side you're going to draw a little line out as well and make it quite broad on the outside. And I'm going to draw a toe. There's one toe, and I'm going to bring it back. Then I'm going to make it nice and round on the top, and I'm going to draw another toe, nice and round, another toe. There we go. And there's the foot. And then we're just going to draw the toes in, or the toenails. Let's go to this side, and we're going to draw another leg with a foot. And I'm going to draw a toe. I'm going to draw another toe with a toenail, and here let's draw another one with a toenail. And here at the back I'm going to draw the belly area. So there's the belly going up, and right here we're going to draw the hind leg. So you're going to draw a V shape from the belly up. You're going to draw the foot out, you're going to draw another one out. Toenail, foot back, and a foot back. Now we're going to draw the wings. You're going to start up here and you're going to draw a nice curve down. And then here you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a nice curve down as well. Here on top I'm just going to make a U shape, and now I'm going to draw the top part of the wing. Make it nice and curvy all the way back, and then from here I'm going to do the same thing. There we go. And now we can draw different parts of the wing. There we go. And then here maybe let's do a last one. And then you can just fill it in with. You're going to finish up the wing. There we go. Right on top, a little nail or a little horn, and then here at the back we're going to draw the tail. So we're going to make it nice and curvy back, continue between the legs, bring it straight out, and then you can bring the tail back all the way back. There we go. And there's the tail, as you can see. I'm going to draw a nice curvy line out, make a little hook with a horn right there, and then let's do the same thing. Let's start drawing the wing. And then we can just fill the wing in as well on this side. And there we go. Now you can look at my picture and you can color it in, and I'm sure Grumblegard will look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.